Some people will start with 9 minus 3, which is 5. Drop the times 4 divided by 8. 5 times 4 is 20. Drop the divided by 8. And then they'll do this, write it in a fraction form. And notice both numbers are even. So we can just half them. So half of 20 is 10 over half of 8 is 4. Half of 10 is 5 and over, and half of 4 is 2. And you can fit 2 into 5 2 times and leaves you with a remainder 1, and then keep the denominator, which is 2, which can be 2.5, or you can round it up and gives you 3. So the answer is 3 or 2.5. Wrong. The answer is not 3. It's not 2.5. It's not 1 over 2. This is wrong. Let me show you how to solve this correctly using PEMDAS. And PEMDAS is saying that multiplication goes first. So what is 3 times 4? 12. Good job. Next, I drop the divided by 8. Also drop the 9 minus. Now we're looking at this. PEMDAS is saying that division has higher priority than subtraction. So what is 12 divided by 8? I don't know. So let's write that in a fraction form, 12 over 8. And we can break this down further. So half of 12 and half of 8. So what is half of 12? 6 over, what is half of 8? 4. And I can continue breaking it down. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 4 divided by 2 is 2, leaving me with 3 over 2. Next, we drop the 9. So I'll write the 9 here, but let's turn that 9 into a fraction. 9 over 1 equals 9 does not change the 9. Next, drop this subtraction sign down, and then bring this 3 over 2 over there. Over here, I mean, 3 over 2. Notice that I'm subtracting 2 fractions, and the denominators are different. So let's go ahead and use the butterfly method. So I'll use a different color. I'll use this red. So you multiply 9 times 2, which is, and here is the antenna of the butterfly. 9 times 2 is 18. Here's the other wing and the other antenna. 1 times 3 is 3. And here's the body of the butterfly. That gives you the denominator for the answer. So 1 times 2 is 2. And then subtract 18 minus, looks like a happy face, 18 minus 3, which is 15. And 15 over 2 cannot be broken down further. So this is called an improper fraction answer. Let's get a decimal and a mixed number answer using long division. So here's the long division symbol. You can, we'll figure out how many 2's you can fit into 15. So the dividend is the 15 that goes inside the long division symbol. And the divisor is the 2, so that goes outside the long division symbol. So how many times can 2 fit into 15? 7 times, right? Because 7 times 2 is 14. That's the closest we'll get to 15, right? Because 8 times 2 is 16. That goes 1 over 15. And then 15 minus 14 is 1. And you cannot fit 2 into 1, so the 1 needs to borrow a 0. So you drop the 0, give it to the 1. Now the 1 becomes 10. You can fit 2 into 10. How many times? 5 times. Good job. And then 5 times 2 is 10. And then you subtract 10 minus 10 is 0. So your decimal answer is 7.5. And I'll circle the numbers that will give you a mixed number answer. So the whole number is the 7. So that's 7. 7 is the whole number. The 1, the remainder goes above the fraction bar, and the 2 goes below the fraction bar. And you have 3 different answers. And there you go.